Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I will share with you very simple and easy no carb cloud bread. To make this bread, we will using simple ingredients. First of all, we break 3 eggs. Then we separate between yolk and white eggs by using clean hand here. So we have a bowl of yolks and a bowl of white eggs. The bowl with yolk, we put in 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and pinch of salt. We stir until blended and thickened. And then we set aside. In the bowl with the white eggs, we put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of salt. Then we stir it until blended and thickened, just like the snow on winter, isn't it? Okay then, we prepare the pan. We put butter on the pan and we spread over the pan some flour so it not be sticky later on. Or simple things, we just can put a baking paper on the pan. Here we go, the blended white egg. Then we gonna mix with the egg yolk. We stir it slowly until it's combined. Then we put in the baking dish. After that, we put in the oven with 300 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes waiting, voila, the cloud bread is done. Then we transfer to the serving plate. Well, the first impression, it just looks like fried egg, isn't it? There you go, a simple keto cloud bread is done. We can eat them accompanied by any kind of jam or just spread with butter will be amazing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.